Hi, in this video, I will be showing you problem number 3 from the practice exam 1. Solve for y plus 4 over 7 plus 9y minus 6 over 4 equal to 23. Simplify your answer as much as possible. So we notice that the first two terms have the denominator, but the one on the right hand side doesn't have a denominator, which is a whole number. So we will make it look like a fraction like the other ones by throwing a 1 below. The next step is to find out the LCD. 7, 4 and 1 are the denominators. So the LCD would be 7 times 4, which is 28. So the next step, we will multiply each one of the terms by the LCD, which is 28. So keep in mind, we have to multiply every term by the LCD, including the right hand side. The idea is to eliminate the denominator or clear the fraction. So we will multiply every term by 28. So 28 times of the first term, 28 times the second term, 28 times the third term. So we get 7 goes into 28 4 times, 4 goes into 28 7 times. So we get 4 times y plus 4. Keep in mind, y plus 4 must be in parentheses because there are two terms, and 4 must be distributed over two terms. Same way, 7 times 9y minus 6, that must be in parentheses as well. 28 times 23, when you compute that in your calculator, that is going to give us 644. The next step is to distribute 4y plus 16 equal to 63y plus 63y minus 42 equal to 644. To combine the like terms, that will be 67y plus 16 minus 42, that will be a negative 26 equal to 644. You can move the negative 26 to the other side, which will become positive 26. So it is 67y equal to 644 plus 26, which will be 670. So we get 67y equal to 670. If you divide both sides by 67, you will get y equal to 10. So the solution to the problem is y equals 10. Hope this video